imitima yacu yagaragaye nk'aho hari ikintu kiribuze kuba nijoro.
There seems something in their hearts that felt heavy that evening, but
murambabarira impamvu z'imyitozo je nakinaga umupira cyane je kumubona hano abagenzi banje baranyizeraga mu kibuga cyane uko ndabyibuka neza uwo munsi barambwa nindake ko ari imyitozo ngiremereye cyane ko nimugora ndazukina match ndakinaga umupira na mukuru wanje ari umuhanga cyane ariko twaradukurikirana ariko dukora competition tumenye uzi umupira ninde ariko tugera ku kibuga twese twarabuze twicaramwe twari gudusezerana kuko twaharimo batuvuyemo dutangira gukoresha gugwenya ducokozana twenyine ngo se hari umuhungu babajije ngo se ngupfuye ubu nyine utarashaka ngo se wosiga iki ku musozi. Uwo muhungu yitwa Ngwabi yari mu defenseur wacu ukomeye cyane nico cyatuyangira n'agahinda cyane. Uwo munsi yari haje hari umwana wari waje witwa Merewe neza umwana muto warateka imyaka 12 11 ngaho aza yanditse ku mugongo w'izina ryanje ku mugongo namutekereje cyane gari nicaye hariya numva ndabaye cyane twakoze imyitozo none habe nko masaa 9 turatera story tugeze nko masaa 11 haza umugabo witwa Gilbert ni muri Nakayira no wari president wacu wari nka president w'ikipe aratubaza uko mutari gukina umupira byagenze gute turavuga nta ngufu dufite twese kuko muri ico gihe twari dutegura kuzaje gukina match Bukavu Mutebusi niwe yarari tutarahunga noneho Kayira no aducumbi wari hotel tuzapanga Bukavu nove kuvuka no Gilbert yarafite onishe araje ku kibuga aratubaza se byagenze bate kumutera umupira tumaze kumusubiza wicyo yaratwaye mwese muhaguruke atujana Mugatumba centre atujana muri restaurant aratugurira turasangira ariko nibutse ko twagudusezerana abagenzi bacu tuva kipe yose dushike umva bari baratwubakiye bari abantu bapanze gutwica bari barafashe iheme shitingi nini cyane bayigira urubyiruko twese twisangamo ariko kuko urumva nk'ikipe abantu baba barutana ku myaka nje nari mu batoya twari dufite hangare yacu bakuru bacu bafite yabo nabo hirya aho ngaho ariko iyo yacu niyo yabaye victime cyane habe nijoro nko amasaa 2 nganira n'umukinyi mugenzi wanje ngo nyine bitazimwe retwa Ngwabi ndamubwira njewe musigana neza nkweto zanje z'umupira kuko twananiwe gukina umupira wenda ejo tuzagaruka gukina umupira Jean mubwira ko ngiye Mugatumba centre na bagenzi banje abiri gato tugaruka njana n'undi muhungu witwa Musore n'undi Tasingi uko famille kwa Zarias se wabo turagenda hari nko masaa 3 ngaho dutangira gura n'abana bagenzi bacu bavuye ku korali bakoraga repetition hirya turasezerana turavuga twe tugeze muri centre mu kanya gato turaje ariko amaso yabaye yangahe twageze muri centre tugiye gutora tugiye kuzana no isasu rya mbere ravuga amasaye tugira n'inka wenda baje kwiba barasanze baza kwiba inka bisanzwe bakarasa barasa kandi tumva kandi barasa barashika mbwira abagenzi banje ntago bisanzwe kubera je nakunda kuja kurara mu ikambi ariko mama baba bamfatiye inzu yakoraga muri Ebenezer mfatiye inzu hirya y'ikambi gatoya mbwiza inshuti zanje ko nk'imiryango anyira mu makambi mureke tuje mu rugo ariko naho kuwashika twahagaze bigoye kuko amasasu yabaye menshi cyane ikirere gitangira kuba umweru twibaza ibibaye ariko twahagaze amahirwe ngeze mu rugo ndakomanga batinya ko gutingura buke kwa amasasu ari menshi no mukecuru arakingura ko muzenzi yarahari bashiki banje bari batabanse bagiye kuvoma mu baturanyi ibo bahita bakingirana ntibigeze bagaruka turategereje amasasu menshi cyane ariko tutaramenya ikintu cyabaye cyarico mu minota nk'ingahe haje umugabo warashwe ukuguru aragonga aratubwa abanyitwa muhorana bandashe ngo munkingurire niwe waje kutubwira ibiri kuba kuko yaravuye je mu bitekerezo byanje byose namvuga abo twirwanye bose nabo twari turi kumwe iryo joro mu bitekerezo zama bimenyereka ko nta wundi busangeho naho muri abo bagenzi bari twajanye umwe arafite famille yose muri yo kambi atangira kugira iharamukana kuko yasize ababyeyi bibe nabo bavukana twananiwe kwihangana amasasa arangiye ko twari nk'abasore ku twatse imyaka 17 twabaye twebwe mureke dutangira tugera amasasa agabanutse turebe nimba twohashika tukare wenda n'ibyabaye turimba twaramira twaragiye mu masaka y'anda z'ijoro tuzamutse dushike dusanga ibintu byabaye nabi cyane aho twasezerana abagenzi bacu bavuye ku ikorari niho twasanze imirambo yabo turagenda ibitekerezo byantumye kuja kwirukanka kuja kureba aho nanasico kirata mugenzi wanje iwe nasanze yahiye tamurambo babona sarahiye nabo bana bagenzi bandi twari twirwanya na batoya kugira ngo umenye umuntu ari witavye Imana iryo joro bari bigoye habaye mu gitondo bwa bucagurikana nico gihe abantu batanga kumenya
I can't remember any joyous day that we had like that day.
Ariko iyo abantu bashubije amaso inyuma,
but if people turn back and look,
hari igihe nkaho twasezeranaga.
It's like we were saying goodbye to each other without knowing it.
Kuko munsi zararangiye turagenda tuja kuryama saa 1:00
It was done and then we went home and we slept around 7, 8.
Twiteguye buca.
And we were waiting for a day to come.
Bigeze nk'amasaa 2 saa 3
when it was around 9
abantu bararyama nyine barasinzira,
people were sleeping.
Bigeze nka saa 4 dutangira kumwigira ubwoba.
Our parents would be afraid.
Aho twari dutuye hariho ikiraro cinka,
because where we lived it was a place where they kept cattle.
Twari ducumbitse mu nzu iraho gutyo imbere y'ikiraro cinka. Uvuye mu nkambi hari ikiraro cinka, inzu ibanziriza aho ngaho niyo twari ducumbitse.
After the camp there was a livestock place and then next was where we were living.
Kuko ico gihe hari igihe bakaza baje kwiba inka, abarundi bakarasa bakatubwira ati ni bya bindi basanzwe nyine bakora kugira ngo abajura bataza kwiba inka.
Because it was so common, the shooting was common because they used to shoot when they came to steal the cattle. So
ariko amasasu akomeza kuba menshi.
But the shooting got louder.
Abantu batangira kugira ubwoba.
And people were scared.
Ukumva abantu bari kwamiriza ati turashize.
And you hear screams, people saying, oh, we're dying.
ati nimuzuke
And the parents said, please wake up, let's go.
turabyutse nyine tugize
And we
ubwoba
were waking up and we were scared.
muri ako kanya dutangira kumva abantu imiborogo babirukwanka bahungira aho ngaho
And we
twari
started
duteye
hearing
munsi.
people crying and they were running to us.
noneho dutangira kumva yuko bya bintu noneho ntabwo ari bya bindi bisanzwe
And we
byabaye
realized
ibindi
it's
bintu.
not normal anymore. It's a big thing.
abantu bahunga bambaye ubusa uko
And
yakaryamye
people
abandi
were running
bararashe
naked and others had gunshot wounds.
twama tubona yuko ibintu byakomeye
And things got really bad.
hashize akanya twumva sinza mbibuka muri iyo myaka umuntu ntabwo yabibuka ariko hari
After a
umugabo
while, I don't remember a
n'umudamu
lot,
wamirije
but
aravuga ati
there's a lady that screamed
Edison musohoke abantu mwese mwahungiye umwo
And was
bamaze kumenya
saying-
yuko mwese abantu bari guhungira umwo
please run, do not come to the same place, because they know that
Kuko
you
bari
guys are going
bamaze
to the same
kwinjira.
place, because they were already inside.
kuko n'aba basirikare barindaga aho ngaho bari bazi yuko hari abantu bari umwo ngumwo bose bari guhungiramo
And the soldiers that were guarding the place, they knew that people were running into that
bamaze
house,
kuvuga aho nyine batuye aho bari baturutse uru ruhande n'uru ruhande
because they knew the people were coming here. They were
nta
from
kuntu
both
ushobora
sides.
guhunga uje iyo ngiyo mu baturage babo
You cannot go to their houses.
inzira rero twari dusigaranye imwe
The only way that
ni
remained
uguhunga gusa twitera mu muhanda hagati muja mu bihuru mushaka iyo
was
muhungira
running in the middle of the road, running to the bushes, trying to find a place to go.
ndibuka icyo gihe
I remember that time.
ntawahunganye n'undi mu rugo rwacu nyine mu bo tuvukana
No one ran with the other. Everyone went alone.
twarahunze abantu bagenda bikubakuba hasi kuko amasasu yari menshi
People were crawling on the ground because the
kubera
shooting
ko
was a
amahirwe
lot.
yacu twari tukiri bato nyine umuntu akama yiruka vuba ugaca mu bantu ukagera gute
Our
isasu
luck
iri
was
gufata.
because we were really tiny and young, so we could run a lot.
ariko umbajije ahantu twahungiye kugeza ubu ngubu
But if you ask me where I ran to
Sinza
until
mpamenya.
now, I still don't know.
kuko baradukurikiye
Because they followed us.
aho twari turyamye hasi gutya twihishe inyuma
we
yanjye
were
hapfuye abantu benshi
Sleeping, where we slept, there died a lot of people.
nkavuga ati mana we ndagira gute
And I was wondering, God, what am I going to do?
n'abo twahunganye sinabamenye
I don't even know the people that I escaped with,
ariko imiborogo ikomeza kuba myinshi
but the crying was a lot,
ubwo amasaha byenda ari kwihuta turagarutse
and time was running, and we
gusa
came
nkaho
back.
nyine amasasu yacecetse
When things cooled a little
basubiye
bit
bamaze
down,
gukora icyabazanye
they were done with what they came to do.
mu kugaruka rero
When I turned, we came back.
niho umuntu yatangiye kuvuga ese ndacariho
You started realizing, oh, I'm still alive.
ndiho umuntu akikoraho
And you taught yourself to feel yourself.
atangira kumenya ubwenge bwo kuvuga ese uyu ndi kumwe nawe ninde
And I start thinking, who am I with?
ndibuka icyo gihe nta muvandimwe wanje twari turi kumwe
I remember none of my siblings were with me.
tuvuka turi batanu
We are 5 in our family.
n'umubyeyi na papa ariko nta muntu nari ndi kumwe nawe
And my dad and mom, but I had nobody then.
ndagaruka
I came back,
n'abandi bose twari turi kumwe twese
and the people that were with me,
ariko ntabazuvuga inshuti
but nobody was talking.
kuki nuko twari twuzuye agahinda n'umubabaro
We were filled with pain,
tuzi
And-
icyo twasize inyuma
shock, because we knew what we left behind.
nta muntu tuhasanga muzima
We're not going to find anybody.
mu myaka nk'iyo ngiyo 12 13
In a 12-year-old, 13
biragoye
years of age,
kwiyumvisha abantu bose twari turi kumwe ako kanya
it's hard to understand that the people that were with me,
barangiye bose
that they were all gone.
mu kugaruka twaraje
We came back.
tugeze muri ya nzu nyine turareba
When we got to the house,
dusanga ya nzu twari dutuyemo abantu babiciyemo
we found the whole house, people
Turakomeza.
were dead, and we went forward.
tugeze aho ngaho nyine mu nkambi
When we got to the camp,
dusanga gusa n'amashitingi ari gusha imirambo
there
yuzuye
was only burning tents and dead bodies.
yari imiborogo
It was crying.
nta uvugisha undi
No one was talking to the
ureba
other.
gusa umuntu gusa ukamukoraho
You just touch a person.
ntabwo waza wita ati n'uwo muvukana
You
ni
didn't-
papa wawe
it didn't
ninde waza
matter
uvuga ati
who
gusa ngo